Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a basic Express server, right? Here I have opened a folder with VS Code and have run npm init-y, right? So if you want to know how to initialize a Node.js project, you can see my last video. I will add that video in the description. Right, so here I'm going to set up a basic Express server, right? So the main file here is index.js. The main file is nothing but the startup file of this project. Okay, so I'm going to create a file called index.js. Okay, here I'm going to install a package called Express with the help of npm command. So npm install Express. So the Express package is getting installed. You can see it has created a node modules folder, all the dependencies of Express package, right? So we have not done anything, and if I go to the package.json, you can see a dependency called Express with the version 4.18.1 is already created, right? Perfect. So I go here and I import that Express package that I installed recently. So const express require express, right? So the IntelliSense is good enough to show me the package name, and I'm going to set the express to a variable called app. So it doesn't mean it should be app, it can be of any name, but I feel using the variable app is easy for me, right? So I'm going to have a port called 3000, right? And I'm going to say app.listen. I'm going to have this port number comma arrow function, right? So and inside it I'm going to have a console.log, right? So this is going to be example app listening on port, a backtick, right? Already it is a backtick. So I'm going to have an interpolation, and inside it I'm going to pass port. Perfect, right? So I'm going to run this app now. I'm saving it. I'm going to start the server now. So how to start the server is to execute this JS file with the help of node command. So node index.js. It means the server started and listening on port 3000. So how to make sure whether the server is running, because we only see the console is printed here, right? So we want to see whether the server is really listening on port 3000. To make sure that, I'm going to say // user details, and this is going to get, we know, request and response, right? And inside it I'm going to say response.json. I'm going to send a JSON response, right? And the name is going to be my name, this is Shaktivel, and age is 30, and city is going to be Chennai, right? So I'm going to save this. Perfect. I'm going to stop the server because we have made some modification in the code, so we have to stop the server and restart it again. Node index.js, right? So I go to the browser and I type localhost. It is 3000. The port number is 3000 if you can remember, and the API address is user details, right? So if I call the API, so returns back this JSON that we pass as a response. Means our app is listening on port 3000, and whatever endpoint we call with this server, it is going to respond as with a response, right? I hope this video helped you to learn about how to create a basic Express server, right? Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.